Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new photo trend facial beauty analysis in ChatGPT image 2. So basically it is very easy. You'll need just follow this tutorial and don't miss any important steps. So first of all, we'll need to copy the prompt for ChatGPT. I already wrote a prompt for you, so this prompt works fine. So you'll need to just simply copy this prompt like that. I will leave this prompt in the description, so you'll need to just copy it as well. Then you can close the notes and go to the ChatGPT. So here create a new chat and then upload the photo of you or of someone else if you want to know their facial beauty. But I'll recommend you to upload your own photo. So click on the plus sign and I will upload the photo from my channel, from my profile picture. Of course, it works better if you will upload more than one photo, but I will upload only one. And then you will need to just paste the prompt. And as you can see, it says that it will create a clean, minimal beauty report image. And basically that is it. Now we will need to send our photo with this prompt to ChatGPT for us to get this viral facial beauty analysis, and simply wait. So as you can see, it successfully created my facial beauty analysis, and I can see my strong sides of my face, the weak sides, and improve something if I want. But you need to know that this report is not that you want to rely on, because it is only AI made and it cannot be true. So basically that is it. That is how you can see and make facial beauty analysis trend in ChatGPT. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.